Replacing the headlamp bulb on a 2014 Audi A6. First thing you need to do is get inside the wheel well, use a T20 bit, and undo this screw right here. With that cover removed, now you want to use that same T20 and pull these two screws off, one here and one right there. And then you can remove this cover. It just hooks on the top and those two screws hold the bottom. So you may have to just pull this away a little bit to get in there, but it's not too bad. All right, with that removed, all you have to do is reach your hand in here and unplug the bottom of this bulb here. The igniter is built onto these bulbs, so just unplug it like that, and then take this and turn the whole thing with that green ring, the green plastic ring, turn the whole thing counterclockwise a few degrees like this, and then it pulls straight out. So here's your bulb. So when you replace it, you want to pull this off, this plastic piece. Just push in this little tab right here, and then this whole thing opens up like that, and then install this on your new bulb the same way, put it back in, clock it, and you're good to go. Thanks.